On2Air Schema is an Airtable app that generates diagram layouts of your entire Airtable-based design and structure. The Schema app lets you visualize your base layout and quickly view all connected field and table relationships. You can identify each field type and the related fields and tables to ensure proper setup for all your data. See which fields are being referenced in formulas, rollups, and lookup fields, and view the exact formula being used in the field. Get a snapshot of helpful field information, such as if the field is editable, if it's being used in any formula, and the result type. Create filters to display only specific field types or relationships. With On2Air schemas, you can track any changes made to the meta information of your base. Metadata includes data such as name changes to your tables, views, or field names, and newly added or deleted tables, views, and fields. You can share your Airtable schema with a shared link, you can print your schema for easier viewing, or you can export your layout as a CSV or JSON file. Set permissions for the Schema app to display the app only to specific users or specific user levels in your base. To get started, add On2Air Schema directly to your Airtable base from the Apps panel. With the On2Air Schema app, you can ensure proper base design and administration through field relationships and an audit log of meta changes. Be sure to check out more apps from On2Air, apps to run your business with Airtable.